crisscrossing the country following their victory last week at Jacksonville. The Raiders elected to stay just an hour away from here in Bradenton at IMG Academy. And head coach Jack Del Rio said he wanted a normal week of game preparation. And instead of seeing guys out, they were breaking down tape, completely concentrated on today's game.
Here we go, here we go. Let's go, fellas. Let's do whatever it takes out there today. Hold each other accountable, leave it all on the field.
It feel weird, baby. I ain't never came out that tunnel before till today. Feel a little weird, but hey, I'm gonna take it out on them. Raider Nation.
All I can think about is the Raiders going home with a win, baby. Part 2 of the Florida trip.
We taking over. We came to Florida for one reason, to leave with 2 wins. We got one, we need another. Whatever we gotta do, get the win, man. Whatever we gotta do, you're gonna get everything I got. Everything I got. Give me everything you got. Do it for the man next to you.
We're nearly halfway through the season, and the Raiders are one of the big stories right now. 5-2, tied for first place in the division.
And this is a team that is getting better every week in significant areas, and that's why the vibe around Raider Nation's feeling very good.
Play action, Winston on the move, looking deep, and it is caught for a touchdown by Russell Shepard.
Carr gets hit, and he lost the ball. It's free on the Raider 33-yard line. And who's got the ball? The Buccaneers have recovered the fumble as Derek Carr got strip sacked.
Clean it up. We got a couple things clean up. There you go, Mo.
Winston pressured and sacked back on the 21-yard line. Khalil Mack getting his 4th sack of the year. And he's going to throw wide open on the wheel route to Adewale, the fullback, down the sideline. 30, 20, 15, 10, 5, all the way to the goal line. They fake the gun run. They roll Carr right, looking for the back of the end zone. The flag is down. It's caught by Crabtree for a touchdown. But he pushed off.
Pass interference. Offense number 15. 10-yard penalty. Second down.
10 penalties in the first half. Does it feel like self-inflicted wounds, and what do you tell your team?
Oh, totally. Yeah, no, we really stopped ourselves offensively in each of these drives where we haven't scored. It's been a matter of self-inflicted penalties. So, yeah, we've got to clean that up, obviously, and got a lot of football in front of us.
Pressure coming. Carr steps up, looking end zone for Cooper. Incomplete, but there's the flag
In the end zone.
They bootleg Derek Carr, who lobbed it for a touchdown, caught by Donald Penn. The former Tampa Bay Buccaneer comes back to Raymond James to score a touchdown.
We're going to the Hall of Fame, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, baby. I see you, DCD. I see you.
Bootleg by Winston, and he's going to get wrapped up and thrown for a sack by Khalil Mack. Empty sack, 2 right, 3 left. Derek throws, going for the end zone for Amari Cooper, open, touchdown! Raiders! And they bring in a lineman as a fullback. They run off the left side, touchdown. Jaquiz Rogers is in the end zone.
So now they go for 2, try to make it a 7-point lead. Winston in trouble, throws, caught! And with 3:48 to go, it's a 7-point Tampa Bay lead.
Here's Carr looking left and a lob up the left sideline for Amari Cooper. He made the catch. Amari inside the 15-yard line. Derek Carr, 1st and goal, 8-yard line. Looks middle, throws, caught! What a catch by Michael Rivera! Touchdown! Raiders!
Carr steps up, he's gonna keep it himself. Carr inside the 40, gets out of bounds. He's got a 1st down with 4 seconds to go. And that will send out Janikowski for the game-winning field goal attempt.
Kondo will snap. King will hold. Left hash mark. Left-footed kicker. They got it down. Janikowski has it away. Plenty of distance. And it is no good. He missed it.
And we're going to overtime.
Heads. What's the ball?
Derek Carr in the gun. Cooper goes in the right slot now. Washington out wide right, and 3 go left. Amari Cooper is being covered up. Now they're showing blitz. They're going to bring to Levante David. Carr throws. Catch Seth Roberts. Breaks the tackle. He's 10, 5, touchdown! Raiders! A walk-off from Seth Roberts to win the game.
And for the first time since 1977, the Oakland Raiders have started 5-0 on the road and now 6-2 overall.
We're going home with that W6-2. Hey, man! That's how you beat Gus, son! Huh? What you say, come alive? That's what you call by any means, baby. By any means necessary, baby. We're going to win that thing. Now let's get on this train and get home.
We said we were not going to be denied, man, and we had to fight that and the Bucs, and we did, okay? Obviously, a lot of things were self-inflicted. We'll clean it up, but, man, enjoy the wins. 5-0 on the road, baby. Yeah. 6-2 at the halfway point, and the team we're tied with coming into our place.
Yes,
okay?
Hey, don't forget what got us here, man. Hard work and studying our tails off, man. So get ready for the next one. Enjoy it tonight, but get ready for the next one, man. It goes quick. All right, win on 3. 1, 2, 3. Win.